How's it going, everybody? I hope you're having an awesome day. Today we're going to take a room tour of my One King Studio Suite here at the Doubletree Hilton by Seaworld. We're in the tower, and this is the tour. We're in the tower on the 16th floor, and our room number is 21625. So let's go inside. All right, here we go. And you can walk right into a quite large, spacious area. We're going to go off to the left here. I think they attempted to have a computer here at one point for in-room use, but it is no longer working. So we'll go over here to the bathroom. Also, standard room right there if you want to add on. Bathroom has a really cool sink. Love these little bowl sinks here. Got some soaps. A window. So you can look out and you can see we have some weather moving in the area. Stand-up shower. And then your toiletry with door and extra towels. Rest of your towels and your hair dryer down here. We're going to exit out. Come out here. Also, other room door there. Come out here. This is a pull-out couch. Pull it out. Extra bed, sofa bed. Lamps, table chairs. This is a very large room. 48-inch TV. Big table there. Like, this is a very large room. So if you have a family of 4 or 5, this would definitely meet the needs. King size bed. Semi-firm. It's like a cross. I feel like medium. And then over here you have your docking station, radio, alarm clock, outlets. Also on the other side you have just the lighting there. Courtesy phone. One closet. As you can see, we do have a safe here. Ironing board, iron, extra pillows and blankets. Coffee pot with was it coffee bean, tea leaf. There's some coffee there for in-room use. A fridge mini down here. Places to put clothing. Like I said, 48-inch TV there. And then this view outside is crazy. So we got Seaworld off over here. That's where the amusement and the rides and all that is. Then out here, see right there, that's Epcot at Disney World. Way back over there, let's see, right there, that's Magic Kingdom. Then on this window over here, we have the Convention Center. That's the Hyatt right there. This is the freeway that takes you directly to the airport, and actually has an on-ramp and off-ramp right there. So super convenient for freeway access. If you're a fan of lightning and thunder and all that, this view will definitely meet the requirements. And that's pretty much it from this One King Studio Suite here at the Hilton by Doubletree by Seaworld. It's an amazing room. Pretty excited to stay here. So I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. If it did, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we'll be doing more of these in the future. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.